The trucking industry doesn't just move cargo, it moves the entire world. But the real story isn't the trucks you see on the highway. It's the technology inside them, on them, and around them that most people never notice. Today, we're covering 12 innovations that are making trucks smarter, safer, and more capable than ever before. From track systems that deliver 700% more traction to electric cooling units that run on solar power, these solutions are changing what commercial transport can actually do. Let's get into it. Truck blind spots kill hundreds of cyclists and pedestrians every single year. The Stoneridge Side Eye exists specifically to end that. Combined radar and camera technology creates a detection zone 3 meters wide and 12 meters long, covering the exact area where accidents happen most. When a pedestrian or cyclist enters that zone, a visual alert hits the 7-inch monitor and an audible warning fires instantly in around 300 milliseconds, faster than any driver can react alone. IP69K rated and tested from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius. This system performs in every condition, every climate, every day. One upgrade, countless lives protected. Some loads don't fit on standard trailers. XL Specialized builds the ones that handle everything else, up to 170,000 pounds concentrated in just 10 feet. Their 13-axle package distributes that weight so precisely that legal road travel becomes possible for loads most operators thought were unmovable. Deck heights as low as 14 inches keep oversized equipment within legal height limits. Extendable decks stretch from 28 to 49 feet for cargo that simply won't fit anywhere else. Hydraulic detachable goosenecks and T1 180,000 pounds per square inch steel frames handle the most punishing heavy haul jobs without breaking a sweat. Wind blade sections, 100,000 pound industrial equipment, oversized machinery. XL has a trailer configuration built for all of it. When the load is extreme, the trailer has to match it. One accident without footage can cost a trucking company hundreds of thousands of dollars. The BlackVue truck dash cam makes sure there's always evidence. Full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second front and rear. Sony Starvis sensors that perform in complete darkness as well as broad daylight. The rear camera is fully waterproof and externally mounted, built for the punishment commercial vehicles take daily. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and LTE cloud connectivity mean fleet managers can review footage remotely from anywhere in the world, and parking mode keeps recording even when the truck is off. Every mile, every incident, every detail captured. Getting a fully loaded construction truck stuck on a job site means one thing: expensive downtime. The DAF rock-free function was built to prevent exactly that. When traction is lost, the system automatically rocks the truck back and forth, alternating drive and direction through the automatic gearbox until the wheels find grip again. No tow truck, no waiting, no lost hours on a deadline-driven job site. It works on muddy terrain, snow, loose ground, anywhere a construction truck is likely to get stuck. One smart software feature that pays for itself the first time it saves a recovery call. Built into the XDC and XFC range because getting unstuck should never require outside help. Most trailers force operators to choose between flexibility and speed. The Libner Open Box C+ refuses to compromise, sliding aluminum panels open from the front, rear, or side in under 30 seconds, giving full cargo access from any angle without repositioning the trailer. Container twist locks handle both 20 and 40-foot units. A hardwood floor built for forklift traffic and a 28-ton payload capacity make this one trailer that genuinely replaces two. Flatbed capability, curtain cider protection. One smart package for operators who spend more time hauling than planning around equipment limitations. This is the trailer that removes those limitations completely. Long-haul drivers spend hundreds of nights sleeping crumpled in a seat that was never designed for rest. The highway hammock truck snoozer fixes that in under 10 seconds. Designed by a former trucker who understood the problem firsthand, it stretches across the cab door tops, turning any day cab into a full-length sleeping space. Supports up to 187 kilograms. Tough synthetic canvas built for daily use. No tools, no complicated setup. Better rest means sharper drivers, and sharper drivers mean safer roads. Simple idea, serious impact. Incorrect tire pressure costs the trucking industry billions every year in wasted fuel and premature tire wear. The SAF Tire Pilot Plus eliminates that problem automatically. It continuously monitors every trailer tire, inflating when pressure drops and releasing when it's too high, keeping all wheels perfectly balanced without any driver involvement. A warning light only triggers for genuine issues, a 20 psi drop or more. No false alerts, no unnecessary stops. Stainless steel braided hoses and hand-tight fittings mean installation is clean and built to last. And for fleet operators, the ROI comes in under a year. Less tire wear, better fuel economy, zero manual checks. It just works every single mile. Refrigerated transport is one of the biggest fuel consumers in the entire logistics industry. The Kogel E-Cool is built to change that. A fully electric cooling unit powered by a recuperation axle and optional rooftop solar panels keeps cargo cold, completely silently and without direct CO2 emissions. Up to 10 hours of autonomous electric cooling means the system runs independently without drawing from the truck engine. Smart insulation panels reduce overall trailer weight, improving fuel efficiency on every single haul. Lower emissions, lower fuel costs, lower noise on urban deliveries. Refrigerated transport that's finally built for the future. Most operators don't realize a standard light commercial vehicle can legally pull 7,000 kilograms combined weight. The BE Combi 3500 Plus makes it possible. It converts any 3,500 kilogram van into a tractor unit, coupled with a matching trailer, doubling payload capacity without requiring a heavy vehicle license. An intelligent braking system automatically converts hydraulic to air brake pressure, keeping everything safe and compliant. It handles like a van, carries like a truck, and works with virtually any brand. More payload, same license, zero compromise on safety. Most trailers are built for the load. WESOB builds theirs for the operator. High-strength hot-dip galvanized steel frames mean this system handles years of demanding use without corrosion or structural fatigue. The double-deck option adds a full second level capable of bearing up to 4 tons, effectively doubling payload capacity without increasing the trailer footprint. Modular sidewalls, reinforced forklift-ready floors, and a multi-point safety lock securing system mean loading is faster and cargo stays exactly where it should. Less downtime, better load management. Built by people who clearly understood what operators actually need. Strong, smart, and built to last. Moving 300-pound loads without a forklift usually means back injuries and lost workdays. The Machinex-powered hand truck changes that completely. One person, one compact battery-powered device, up to 309 pounds, lifted and loaded without strain. A 12-volt linear actuator does the heavy work, while an 18-volt lithium battery delivers around 50 lift cycles per charge, enough for a full working day. It folds flat, wheels easily into tight spaces, and works anywhere a forklift simply can't fit. Less physical strain, fewer injuries, one person doing the job that used to need 2. Smart, simple, and long overdue. Standard tires fail when the terrain gets serious. The right track system makes sure that never happens. This track conversion fits any truck or trailer and delivers up to 700% more traction than standard tires on mud, snow, sand, or anything in between. 30-inch wide rubber tracks with interchangeable tread patterns adapt to whatever terrain the job demands. Heavy-duty grousers for mud, ice cleats for winter, done. And the swap takes about an hour in the field. No workshop, no waiting, no lost workday. One conversion kit, every terrain, zero excuses for staying stuck.